Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, it's the Axial scx10, the OG Jeep. We have done nothing to this Jeep. This thing's fully stock. Wanted to just get it out here, just make sure the flex is still good, make sure everything's good. So let's go ahead and check out the video. And if you guys haven't subscribed, go ahead and do so, because I just want to let you guys know at 10,000 subs, we are going to do a massive giveaway. We're doing 3 RC cars at 10,000 subs. So share the word. Let's get it going on. Let's go ahead and check out the live action. Man, I know it's just railroad ties, but this is just a little something that this truck's going to be seeing at USTE 2023. Not going to go on no crazy trails with this truck. Got a few that I would love to take this to. Definitely Trail 1. I think this will be an awesome truck for Trail 1. But guys, I appreciate you guys stopping by, checking out my channel. Man, it's been an honor just to be here, showing you guys everything. I want to thank each and every last one of my subscribers that have hit that subscribe button and is watching my videos. I appreciate it so much. Man, we've got a few things going on. I can't wait for USTE 2023. Hang out with a bunch of the guys that I know. Man, I can't wait. All right, guys, we're going to catch you on the next episode. Go outside, have some fun, and go outside, do some adventure, because we're going to catch you on the next one. Have a good one, everybody.